the 6-piece large gift bags for Christmas. When I say these are large, I'm not exaggerating. These are 6 of them, okay? It has 6 tags and 6 ribbons to enclose the top. They're very substantial. The fabric is not like flimsy. These are going to hold up with boxes. And when I say that they're oversized, I'm not exaggerating, okay? When this is fully opened, you can put the box to like a Barbie dream house in this thing. That's how big it is. The large is 44 by 33 and jumbo. This is the large. It's definitely jumbo. These bags are going to handle bulky toys, odd shaped items, or very large boxes without frustration. The material is so strong. This is not going to tear, not at all. It's thicker than typical holiday bags. The prints are so cute. There's the green Hope Merry Christmas, and then there's red ones, blue ones. The prints are very, very pretty. And it's definitely going to make the presentation look festive with no effort. If you want a simple, reliable solution for wrapping those large or very awkward Christmas gifts, this set is highly practical. The bags are sturdy, the designs are cheerful, and I like the tags and the strings. But again, the large can fit the Barbie Dream House, the box inside. I'd absolutely purchase these again. They're going to save so much time, reduce my wrapping stress, and make those oversized gifts look beautiful. Highly recommend.